Hi, Ann Morphew here, and it's a pleasure to be joining you in Digi 720, the social, mobile, and online analytics course. We have 4 to 6 minutes to do this presentation. Did you know there's a time requirement? 4 to 6 minutes is also what I have my students use for managing their time and yet being able to really develop their centralized message and all the wonderful appeals as they guide their audience along. In 4 to 6 minutes, a quick Google search will show us that the Muse says there's 27 productive things you can do in 4 to 6 or in 5 minutes. The New York Times says in 6 minutes you can be done with your workout. Time Management Ninja tells you that there's 21 things you can do in just 5 minutes. So 4 to 6 minutes. I hope in this 4 to 6 minutes I'm able to give you a little insight of who I am and why I'm doing what we're doing, right? As a student looking for a PhD in communication, I hope to enhance my teaching, to stay current in my field, and to hopefully be able to determine the communication that I do in my online portion of my teaching, maybe do a comparison with some of my other peers in our asynchronous classes, and to understand those things in a constructivist grounded way. The data is going to reveal if there's some insights that can be gained. And hopefully that can be brought to a larger scale. We'll see. There's lots of things that are currently limiting this idea, but I'm working on it. I am about halfway through the program at Liberty, and I confess that analytics is not my strong suit. I often think as strategically as possible with meeting my students' needs and communicating clearly with them, but using the tools and thinking that scientific analytic way is not my spiritual gift, as someone once said to me. So we're doing social media. I have been a longtime Facebook user. My daughter introduced it to me about 13 years ago. And some of the research I've done for Liberty courses on social media regarded Facebook. I utilize and expect my students to utilize YouTube. And I follow a few influencers, a few podcast specialists that I like. And recently I've done some Venmo research for a class. And finally, my big experience that I can think of, it was Snapchat, is that my middle college students, I'm their college concierge at our satellite campus for a middle college group, they wanted Snapchat. So we have a group with that. But how to use that strategically and understand and interpret data from it, that's important. I don't want to get a new job. I want to stay where I am. I'm a kid in the candy store at this college level. There's an academic freedom that I deeply appreciate and the time freedom to be able to do the things that I'm doing in life and taking care of my mom. So finally, what do I look forward to? What do I hope to learn? I want to know all of those skills that I need to for the seeing things strategically and being able to interpret data and think about how I'm going to frame these problems so I can get the right data. And again, hope to get those tools. I've hit the 4:15 mark, so I'll let you go. I look forward to talking with you and working with you. Thanks.